Have you ever wondered how millions of your favorite Kit Kat bars are made each day? Join us as we unwrap the secrets of this chocolatey powerhouse. From humble ingredients to that iconic snap, the journey is as mesmerizing as the taste. Every Kit Kat begins with quality ingredients, from the finest cocoa beans that create rich, velvety chocolate to fresh wheat flour for the crisp wafers. Precision is everything. These ingredients come together in perfect harmony to ensure consistency in every bite. The process starts with cocoa beans sourced from around the world. Carefully roasted and ground, they form the smooth chocolate base Kit Kat fans know and love. At the same time, wafer dough is prepared to create that famous crunch. Step 1. The wafer layers. First up, crafting the wafer layers. The dough is rolled, baked, and layered into thin, crispy sheets. That satisfying crunch? It's the result of expert engineering and seriously impressive machinery. These sheets are then cut into uniform shapes, stacked layer by layer into the classic Kit Kat structure, ready to be encased in chocolate. Step 2. The chocolate coating. Now comes the magic. Coating the wafers in silky smooth chocolate. The wafers ride along a conveyor belt, entering an enrobing machine where they're bathed in flowing chocolate. It's like watching edible art being created. This coating isn't just for flavor. It also protects the wafer and gives each bar that perfect snap. Step 3. Cooling and cutting. Next, the chocolate-coated bars glide through a long cooling tunnel. This locks in flavor and gives the chocolate a glossy, crisp finish. Then comes precision cutting. Advanced robotic systems slice the slabs into perfectly measured Kit Kat bars, millions per day. Step 4. Packaging with precision. With their iconic shape complete, the bars head to high-speed packaging machines that wrap each one in the signature red and white foil. Every bar goes through strict quality checks before it's ready to ship. Packaging keeps them fresh and gives them that unmistakable Kit Kat identity. Step 5. From factory to fingers. From there, the bars are boxed up and shipped across the globe, ready to land on store shelves and eventually into your hands. It's a marvel of technology, coordination, and human expertise. Behind every Kit Kat is a team of specialists and cutting-edge machinery working in perfect sync. Quick trivia break. Each Kit Kat factory can produce over 1,000 bars per minute. Some wafers are made using recycled Kit Kat scraps, a tasty way to reduce waste. From its 1930s origins to global fame today, Kit Kat's journey reflects innovation, craftsmanship, and a universal love for chocolate. And it all ends where it matters most, with you. So next time you take a break, remember the sweet story behind that satisfying snap. Chocolate bar. Treat yourself, Kit Kat style. If you liked this peek inside the world of Kit Kat, give us a like, subscribe for more fascinating factory tours, and let us know what sweet treat you'd love to see next.